How do you cook chicken breast so it's super juicy, tender, quick and easy? Stay tuned. This will become your family's new favorite recipe. All you need is 20 minutes. Cut each piece of chicken breast into a crisscross shape without cutting all the way through. Each cut is about 1 inch apart. By slicing the chicken breast this way, it will absorb more flavors and cook much faster. Season them with salt on both sides and white pepper on both sides. Coat them with cornstarch and dust off the excess. The cornstarch will help the chicken to stay juicy on the inside. In a bowl, mix together the chicken stock, soy sauce, sugar, mirin, and sake. You can also replace the mirin and sake with other types of cooking wine, or replace them with water if you can't consume alcohol. In a pan over high heat, add the oil. Then transfer the chicken breast to the pan. Pan fry until lightly brown on both sides for about 3 minutes in total. Add the garlic to the pan and cook until aromatic for a few seconds. Over low heat, pour the sauce inside. Cover the lid and simmer until the chicken breasts are completely cooked through for about 10 minutes. Add a few more minutes if your chicken breasts are thicker. Flip them a few times in between. Uncover the lid and turn to high heat to reduce the sauce for about 2 minutes. At this point, the internal temperature of the chicken should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. A few days ago, because of the storm, our house was out of electricity and heat. Luckily, we have a fireplace that brought us together. All I felt at the moment was that I'm so grateful to have each other's. Let's try to cherish every moment in life, even when things don't go as planned. Happy cooking and enjoy! The chicken is shockingly delicious. It's so juicy, tender, garlicky, slightly sweet. It's just so good. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!